Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bakery-style croissants from scratch. We'll start by combining 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 300 milliliters of cold water, 10 grams of fresh yeast, 60 grams of sugar, and 10 grams of salt. Knead this mixture for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, cover the dough and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling step is crucial for developing flavor and making the dough easier to work with during lamination. Next, we'll prepare our butter block. Take 250 grams of cold, unsalted butter and pound it into a 6-inch by 6-inch square between 2 sheets of parchment paper. This makes it pliable. Now, roll out your chilled dough into a 12-inch by 12-inch square. Place the butter block diagonally in the center, fold the dough over it, and seal all the edges. This creates a neat package for our first turn, which involves folding the dough like a business letter. After the first turn and chilling, you'll repeat the rolling and folding process 2 more times. Remember to chill the dough for at least 30 minutes between each turn to keep the butter cold and prevent it from melting. Once all 3 turns are complete, roll the dough out to a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. Then, cut the dough into long triangles, approximately 4 inches wide at the base. Starting from the wide end, roll each triangle tightly towards the point to form the classic croissant shape. The final steps are proofing and baking. Arrange your shaped croissants on a baking sheet and let them proof in a warm, humid environment for 2 to 3 hours. They should double in size and feel light and airy. Before baking, brush them with an egg wash for a beautiful golden finish. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are deeply golden brown and flaky. Enjoy your homemade, buttery croissants.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.